Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to check your Canara Bank balance in 2025. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial or someone who prefers the basics, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step methods. Let's jump right in. First off, the easiest way is through the Canara Bank mobile app. Start by downloading the app from your phone's app store if you haven't already. Once installed, open it and log in with your username and password. Don't have an account? Quickly register using your debit card details or net banking credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard, and you'll see your account balance right there on the home screen. It's that straightforward and secure. If you prefer using a computer, head over to the Canara Bank net banking portal. Go to the official website, enter your customer ID and password, and verify with an OTP sent to your registered mobile. Once you're in, click on the Account Summary section, and voila! Your balance will be displayed instantly. Remember, always use a secure internet connection for this. Another quick option is SMS banking. Just send a specific code like BAL, followed by your account number to the bank's designated number. You'll get an immediate reply with your balance details. This is perfect if you're on the go and don't have internet access. And for those who like in-person methods, visit an ATM. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the Balance Inquiry option. Your balance will print out or show on the screen. In 2025, Canara Bank has made these processes even faster with enhanced security features like biometric login and AI chatbots for assistance. Always keep your app and details updated to avoid any issues. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and bank smart. See you next time.